Hey all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my Jeffree Star Halloween mystery boxes for 2020. I am so freaking excited to see what I got in here. You have no idea. So if you guys are into these types of videos from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Now, as you guys know, we are going to be doing a giveaway in this video once I unbox everything. If you are also interested in entering another Jeffree Star giveaway, I will link my good friend Noelle's channel down below. She hasn't gotten her boxes yet, but they are coming and she's going to be doing a giveaway over there. So go subscribe, tell her I sent you, and get excited because it is holiday season, which means giveaway season over here on my channel, as well as I do have a giveaway going on right now. I'm probably killing you guys with it, but it's going to be ending in about a week. My Hocus Pocus giveaway, 2 winners, 3 chances to win. Go get you some Hocus Pocus, enter to win, and yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, so we're just gonna fly through these because we pretty much know what's coming in here. So, I mean, it's not so much a mystery anymore. So I have Mr. Smith & Wesson here, and I'm so excited just to bust these babies open and see what I got. I actually got these hours ago. I got them at like 10 a.m. and it's like almost 4 o'clock now that I'm actually sitting down filming this. So I've been kind of eager to open him, but I was hanging out with one of my friends, Trevor, today, so I was a little busy. Okay, who's excited? I'm so excited to see what I got for variations. Ooh, okay. Okay. We got this one. This is the one I was just like, okay, anyways, we got the lip gloss in Crystal Climax. So excited. I do not own this lip gloss. And then we have the lip liner and the liquid lip in Unicorn Blood. That's exciting. Love that. And that was everything in the mini box. Now let's go for the premium. Like, I don't want this video to be like drawn out and long. Like, I just want to get to the point, open these freaking boxes, and show you what I got. Okay? I just, you know what I mean. I don't want to take everyone's time up just waiting for me to open them up. Like, if you want to hear about the giveaway, keep on watching. If you want to see swatches, keep on watching. But like, let's just get this over with. Okay, so excited. Okay, I have the exclusive beanie here, which I'm excited about. Let's just put it on. There we go. Happy about that. All right, and then the palette we got is Blue Blood, which I don't have anymore, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it or if I'm gonna put it in a giveaway. And then we have the lip gloss Shockwave here. Exciting. And then we have the lip liner in Posh Spice, which I'm excited about. And then we have the liquid lipstick in Leo. And that's everything in this box. And now the Big Daddy here, which I'm so pumped about. What did I do with my knife? I've already lost it. Okay. Fiddlesticks. Okay, here we go. Let's open up this box here, and let's hope that we got all of our exclusive items. Oh gosh. Okay. So freaking pumped. All right. I'm wondering what palette I'll get. Okay. Oh my god, the t-shirt. I love it. Okay, hold on. Shirt. I've noticed that not everyone's pattern on their shirt looks the same. Like, I thought it was orange, and then I've seen like more yellow, and I've seen more orange. It's definitely like crazy. Oh, I love this shirt. It's so cute. And then the back, this is like the cutest shirt I've ever seen. Love that. So happy that I have it. And then we have the Extreme Frost in Lick My Glit, which I think is the pink one. And then we have this palette here, which is, oh, we have Blood Sugar, which I have this palette, so that's exciting. We have the lip scrub in Blue Raspberry Sucker here. We have the lip liner in Calabasas, the liquid lipstick in Dominatrix, the lip gloss in Control Freak, and then we have the exclusive shade in Widow, which we all know that was supposed to go with the Cremated collection, which is why I pretty much made the mistake. I made the mistake by saying that, oh, this is from the Cremated, because I was like, yeah, and it turns out this is pretty much from the Cremated, but I just really want to swatch this and see what it looks like. It smells pretty good. Okay, let's just do a live swatch here. Oh, see, it's not even like too dark. Let me put it on. Cute. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. All right, so that's the balm. Now I gotta figure out what I own and what I don't own and what's gonna go in the giveaway. I do own blood sugar, which I bought from my lovely best friend, Caitlin. I know she's gonna watch this and she's gonna be like, girl, that's my palette. I'm gonna be like, girl, yes it is. So this is blood sugar. I already own it. I just wanna like double check and make sure that this is blood sugar, but I'm like almost positive, so I'm just gonna lightly take this, oops, I ripped it, sorry. Lightly take this sticker off. Sorry, I ripped it a little. Just wanna make sure it's blood sugar. Yeah, this is blood sugar. Also, okay, since this is gonna go in the giveaway, I know for a fact, I wanna make sure that it's not broken, because then I'll cry. Let's just check and see if it's broken. No, it's not broken. See, perfect, love it. Okay, great. This is gonna go in the giveaway. Love that. There, you'll never know I opened it. Okay, so that's gonna go in the giveaway. Lick My Glit. What was that one? Was that the pink or the blue one? This is the pink one. Let's see. I don't know. I think I might want to hold on to this because I haven't had this. I've only had the sour ice one, which I got rid of because I wasn't into the green, but I think I'm gonna hang on to this one because it's pink. Blue Blood. I did get rid of Blue Blood once, so I don't know. Do I want to keep it or do I want to put it in a giveaway? That's a big question. I'm gonna hold on to that for now. We have Control Freak, which I already own Control Freak. And then the other lip gloss, Crystal Climax, I'm gonna keep. I don't have it. Then we have Shockwave, which I have. Right? I do have that, right? I literally can't even remember anymore. Yes, I own Shockwave, so that's gonna go in the giveaway. So giveaway. Lip liner and Unicorn Blood. Gotta keep this. Calabasas lip liner I own. Actually, I'm gonna keep this Control Freak because these two shades don't even look the same. Like, this is the original one when it first launched, and then this is the second one, and do these look like the same color? I don't think so. So I'm gonna keep this Control Freak because I'm just like, why is the colors two different colors? Okay, anyways, figured that out. Okay, so Calabasas, I have the liner somewhere here. Yeah, Calabasas, okay, that's gonna go in the giveaway. Leo, do I own Leo? I'm pretty sure I do, yes, okay. So I have Leo, Leo's gonna go in the giveaway. Posh Spice, that's gonna be mine. Dominatrix, I think I own. I do. I have this, so Dominatrix will go in the giveaway. And then we have Unicorn Blood, which I have. Or maybe I don't have. Maybe this is the one I didn't have. No, I have Unicorn Blood, so this is going to go in the giveaway too. I'm going to hold on to the lip scrub. And I'm going to go ahead and hold on to the Blue Blood palette because I feel like maybe I do want to have it back. I'm not sure. So this is everything that will be going in the giveaway, which is the Blood Sugar palette, the lip gloss in Shockwave, the lip liner in Calabasas, the liquid lipstick in Leo, the liquid lipstick in Dominatrix, and the liquid lipstick in Unicorn Blood. So this is everything that's going to be going in the giveaway. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products, which is phenomenal, and I'm so excited for somebody to win this. We're gonna have one winner. This will be open internationally, and I will have all of the details on how you can enter down below, but of course you must be subscribed to my channel. Leave a like. If you are entering over here on YouTube, then definitely leave your Twitter, Instagram handle, or your email if you don't have one of those in the comments down below so I can contact you if you win. I will also have 2 other entries. I will have an entry on Instagram as well as an entry on Twitter just to up your chances a little bit higher. I never go and say like, go follow me on Instagram, go follow me on Twitter, other than on giveaways, because I don't want to, like, you know, like be like, follow me, follow me, follow me. Like, I don't do that. So if you guys want to enter and follow me, then that's pretty cool, and I will have the details in the description, like I said. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy this giveaway as much as I do, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!